On this episode of I'm a Clueless Homeowner, I don't know what to do. I gotta fix my sprinklers. So here's my problem. When I turn on my sprinklers, which look like that, you can tell that this one looks different, and that's because there's no sprinkler head. I went to see if I could just put a new one in there, but the bottom of the head is broken off in here. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. In the meantime, I don't know what kind of sprinkler head I need. So I've been digging this one up with a kitchen spoon because it's what I have, because I'm a Clueless Homeowner. So I'm gonna keep digging that out and I'll be back. Okay, so I think I'm making progress here. We look down in the hole, you can see some white, like right there, and that's the little irrigation pipe that this connects to. So I think I can just unscrew this like so. I hope I don't get sprayed. Okay, so I've got the sprinkler head. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this little bit that's still in there is just a coupler, and that's fine to leave in there. What I have here is the actual like sprinkler bit, and that goes in and screws on. So I'm gonna take this inside and I'm gonna wash it and see if I can figure out what it is, and then I'll go to Home Depot and buy another one. Okay, so since I had to dig some holes and I don't want people to come by and like kick stuff on them because I have open pipes, I'm gonna put these cups on the top as a way to stop dirt from getting in, probably. Yeah, there we go. We got a cup blocking that hole and a cup blocking that hole. Those are Dodgers souvenir cups. Go Dodgers, let's beat the Blue Jays. World Series champs, baby, back to back. Okay, so I Googled when I got in the car. I haven't driven yet, I'm still at home, but I Googled what to do about that bit still being in the one pipe, because I think that's gonna be a trick because I can't grab it with my fingers. There's a special tool that you get and you push down hard and you turn, and it is specifically designed to take that out. So we're gonna buy that too. We're gonna buy that, and we're gonna buy a sprinkler, and then I'm pretty sure because that little coupler piece is broken inside the one, I need to buy one of those too. So extractor, coupler, sprinkler head, and I think we're good. Okay, bye. Okay, so as I was driving, I was reading this thing. Well, as I was stopped while driving, I read this thing. And on the bottom it says, do not use pipe dope. So I'm at Home Depot right now, I'm walking in, and I'm gonna avoid any shady characters that are gonna try to sell me any dope, because I don't do dope, I'm just dope. Okay, see you from Home Depot. Okay, cool. So we're leaving. We got everything we need. My boy Taylor at Home Depot up here helped me out. He helped me out with doing the gas for my dryer, and the house didn't burn down, nothing caught fire, nothing leaked. So I was like, hell yeah, Taylor. Shout out Taylor in the comments. What's up, Taylor? Anyhow, got the extractor, I got the sprinkler, and I got some gloves because I don't really like the outside that much, and having the outside like on my hands is pretty gross. So let's get home, let's get this put in. Okay, so we're back. And I'm gonna put this one back in here and fill around it so I don't forget. And it just screws on righty-tighty. I assume I want it pretty tight. Okay, that feels almost ready. Okay, I think we're good. Now we'll fill it in. A lot of leaves. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go do the other one. Okay, so I've got this little extractor tool that's supposed to get out the piece that's stuck. Let's see. That shit was so easy, look. Oh. Money. Okay, now we're gonna put in the new one of those. I suppose I just do the opposite of what I just did, but I can do it with my fingers. And nobody tried to sell me any pipe dope. Okay, so now we have this, and it's a little different. It's got this like brass bit on top with some arrows. I think that's where it's supposed to shoot, and I want it to shoot this way. So we're gonna just put it in, and then I'm gonna use a screwdriver. It's got a little flathead, and I'm gonna use that, I think, to aim. So let's see. Okay, that's in there pretty tight. Let me go get a screwdriver because right now it's aimed the exact opposite direction. Okay, so here's the little brass thing. The arrows are going this way. I want them going this way. There, now it's aimed. This is a 90-degree sprinkler head, so here's my 90. So if I aim this at 45, I think I'm good. Let's go give it a test. All right, I got my helper over here. Say hi, helper. He's gonna push the button to turn it on when I tell him to. Okay, guy, hit it. Oh, yeah. All right, so we turned this one now and it works. This one got turned and it works. Just make sure nothing else is leaking. Now this one's gonna need to be replaced. Okay. This one's gonna need to be replaced. Okay, I consider this a success. We have 2 more that need to be replaced, but we're good here. The broken one is fixed. It's watering what needs to be watered. I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy. So 1, 2 needs to be replaced, 3, 4. All right, we need 4 replacements. Yeah, 4. But we fixed it. Let's go. Turn this thing off with my gloves. Freaking turn off. Oh, shit.